Many companies or organizations lack an efficient system to manage their IT assets. As a result, they face issues like poor asset tracking, scheduling maintenance, rising cost, inaccurate data, and compliance risk. Track IT solves this problem by providing a centralized and intelligent asset management platform. Start. So this is the login page where the user will be logged in as an admin or an employee based on the role. Also, he can create his account like here. We have already created for admin or an employee. So I will log in first as an admin. So let's log in as an admin. So this is the dashboard which will be shown to the admin where the total assets, the utilization rate, the total asset value, the asset by category, the asset by status, showing the bar graph, showing the pie chart, and the asset growth trend will be shown. Also, move to the next one, that is assets. In assets, here is the inventory where you can see all the assets based on that we can categorize which is available, which are in use, which are the total status. Also, there is one more section that is maintenance part. Uh, this is the section where you can categorize, you can see which assets is there. Okay, so now based on this, you can add an asset. Like for example, let's suppose add an asset. Suppose we add a flat top, Mac 2 Pro 6, something like that, dummy data for dummy purpose. Okay, so okay, now let's create an asset. Okay, so we are getting a warning that asset should be ideal, should be unique. So let's create a unique one. So I suppose create 13. No, sorry, 9. Okay, this asset will be unique. Also, the serial number should be unique. Okay, so since the serial number is already taken, so let's move to different serial number. 66. Suppose is the serial number. Now the asset will be created. Hopefully, okay, see, this is not used. Now it will be fine. The asset ID is also used, so that's why it is one. Okay, so now we can see that asset is clearly visible. We have created it. So currently it is available. So this is the request section where the employee has requested the assets. So you can see the approved and rejected part. So currently this is the pending part where the admin can approve or reject it. Suppose we reject it. So it has gone to the rejected part. You can see the timestamp. Sorry, date. Now let's go to the maintenance section. In maintenance section, the admin is able to see the maintenance part where the employee has scheduled it or not. And if it is done, then he can be easily click on the done part. Like suppose I've created, click on done. Okay, so now we can see it is completed. So the database should be updated now. Okay, so this was it. Coming to the reports part, here is the total assets, the total valuation. So this is the asset CSV where we have added the downloading part in the Excel file because many companies today also rely on the Excel files. That's why the Excel in the data should be available in Excel. So this is the total ID, asset ID, and all, and these are the owners of that assets currently. So this is like, and also the maintenance section where the maintenance CSV file report will be there, where will be the data of only maintenance section. So these are the maintenance section data. Okay, so this was all about the admin part. Now moving to our employee section. So let's move to the employee section. Like I suppose logged in as an employee. Okay, so this is the employee section. He is not able to see the dashboard because dashboard is only visible to the admin. Also the report section because he cannot able to see the total asset inventory. Yes. Also he cannot see the total asset inventory because he should be able to see only his assets owned by him. So you can see here these are the assets owned by the employee. So this is the request section where the user can request. Like suppose we can request S23. Suppose the reason we have mentioned. So now this request has been generated and the request has been generated and this has been gone to the admin panel. Whether he can approve or reject. So this was the request section. Now moving to the maintenance part. Here the employee can schedule his maintenance and all. So we schedule the maintenance. So for this something like process like full battery organization. So this is the issue. Also we have the yeah, but we are connected to Gemini. Based on this section, it will select lower loading or high reference. So suppose we have selected as high reference. So we have created it. So you can see here now the ticket has been created. So this was all about the employee section. So it shows the complete role-based access control that employee is not able to see the dashboard report section and is able to see the sections that are based on his only part. Now let's check like whether the request has been scheduled or not. Like, we re-login as an as an admin. So we have re-login as an admin and in maintenance section. Are we able to see or not? Okay, so this request was generated by employee now only. So this has been generated here and it is clearly shown. Also we have requested the something like phone. We have requested phone. So it has been generated. So this was all about it.